Hi there. This podcast is about Apache Camel, and we will look into Camel file polling features. Okay, so here we go with our first question. How will someone download your code and run it to check whether it is working still or not? So I have made some samples on github.com. I will take you there and present it. So if you will go to github.com and JavaX for you. JavaX for you is my kind of omnipresent ID. GitHub, Gmail, and LinkedIn, YouTube. I everywhere have the same ID. So github.com/JavaX for you. And then if you go to repository, you will see latest file there, Apache Camel file pooling. Uh, I have tried to make good documentation about how to run this program and directory structure and how you can install this program as a Windows service. Of course, if you want to install it as a Linux service, then that has system configuration there. Uh, so I will be making one different YouTube video for that. So and at last we have sections common error. Uh, and I think some files are still not updated from the README. I will check in that real quick. File, and call it. So let's check in that. Okay. So you know why this is asking for two times username and password. So I will now show you how to download this code and run here. Let me download the folder itself. Okay. That's not ideal place to check out, but for this sample run, we can do it. Now, if we go here and just go to Hindi, try to run this, build and run, build. So this will make a build, and this will put executable jar under this release folder, and with all dependent jars inside this lib. Okay, and then you can run it from run as a program, and log4j is also there.
अपने रूम में कचरा क्यों रखते हो?
बाद में बताता
अपने रूम में कचरा मत रखो।
हूँ। This log here, log return, and this should have one pickup folder. It seems pickup folder was not checked in. So I will make it folder. Was not checked in. File is there. That's why just uh, add it first. Oh, it seems I have ignored it. Okay, for this example, I will copy paste here, and then later after the video, I will remove that from ignore file and add it there. Okay, so this program is configured to pick up from the folder name. Let me show you here. This is the program. This will get the file path, file name from the exchange. Okay, and this will put the file number of lines, and this code output is these lines. And if we check about this file path, so I have header default camel context, and I have added a single route there, file polling route, which will be prompt to do from this path to this path, and this delete is equal to true. That means this will be cut paste, not the copy paste. So this is the path. You will have to change this path according to your application. So for this simple app, this part is this path is not configurable. But if you ask for some comments section feedback, then I can make it configurable. Okay. So for now, this path is fixed. So I have to run from the same path. It means right. So this will run. No worries. Release path and run it. Now this will let me cut this file and put here. As it has started, it already did it. Let me see this file. Process rendering uh, 06. Created here. Now this will be picked up. This will be brought here. But that it worked. Here is the path name with B. I just add it here, and here it is the file content. Okay, let's go back to our question answer session. Now let me stop here the setting. Now next question is what if someone wants to make folder path configurable outside the jar? Okay. For that, I have here response. There are many ways for alien configuration. Most uh, prominent are Java D, uh, system properties, and arguments to main method, or if you are using Spring, then configure in XML as bean properties and use X class path XML context, or you can use HTTP based properties loader like Spring Boot has these features. So it pretty much depends upon your program environment. So that's it for today's session. If you have some queries or comments, then please reply in YouTube comment section, I will be happy to answer you there. Thank you.